Now, this is actually for everyone. If you're a lazy person, if you're a hardworking person, if Hello, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. It's Millie. If you're new, welcome. If you're a return viewer, thank you for stopping by again. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 digital products that you can sell to make $100 a day. Now, this is actually for everyone. If you're a lazy person, if you're a hardworking person, if you're a full-time worker, if you're a part-time worker, a student, it works for everybody. And guess what? You don't need to be in North America, in Europe. No, you can do this from everywhere at the comfort of your own home. Now let's get right into it. As I mentioned, I'm going to be talking about 5 digital products that you can sell and make $100 a day. Now, the first one that I'm going to be talking about is document template. Now, a document template is basically any document in the form of a template that you can edit and make it your own. So you can put your own logo, you can change dates, put your own company name, or your own name if it's a personal document or a document template. If you're going to be selling it, I would suggest that you have a little bit of a background in it, or maybe you've taken a course or you've used that product before some way or form, and you have a little bit of knowledge about it and you're going to be selling it. For instance, I have a document template that I sell on Etsy, and it has to do with cleaning, because I'm in the cleaning field, so I have a little bit of knowledge about it. And also, these are templates that I've used myself and I'm selling them. You know what I mean? So let's say for my shop, I have a business proposal, I have a welcome package, a customer welcome package, hiring process, training manual, it has COVID procedures, protocol, it has all those things on there. So if you're trying to grow your business, it's like a one-stop shop, and you can buy this and it will help your business grow. So that's something that, let's say you do hair and you have something that can help people do hair better. You can create it into a template form, or like, let's say, a customer agreement form that you have between you and your customer. You can create it in a template form and sell it as a digital product. Now, the second one that I'm going to be talking about is graphic design. Now, graphic design, this is for the arts people, the people who are very creative. Now, a lot of people want to buy art that they want to hang on their walls. It could be in the form of, let's say, happy birthday grandpa, and they want to someone would like that to hang in their house to celebrate their grandpa's birthday or a kid's birthday or anything like that. And you have something that you created that is catchy or that is really nice that someone can just purchase and print it out and just hang it in their house or hang it wherever they're doing whatever event, or just to decorate their house in general. So that's something that you can create and have on your Etsy shop or even your website if you choose to go that route. But I suggest, if you're creating a digital product, the best place to sell it is Etsy, because on Etsy, how the platform works is you don't need to promote your product. People are already coming on there. It's just like Amazon. People are already going on there. So if your product pops up, or if someone searches, if you have a really good SEO and someone searches and your product comes up, they will purchase it from you. So Etsy is a great place to have your digital products listed. So yeah, graphic designs, there are lots and lots of them on there that people sell. I'm actually gonna put this store on the screen that you can see. So this store here, they have lots and lots and lots of sales. Do you see how many people have purchased it? They have 5 out of 5 review. for their store, and they have over 100,000 sales on there. And so these are products that people make money from. Imagine even if you're selling it for $1 times 130,000, that's 130,000. And I know most people are selling their products for $2 or even more. So imagine how much you can make from it. And these products, they're actually 100% profit. Now, the only thing with Etsy is you do pay a fee. The fee before was 5%. Right now, I think they increased it to 6.2 or 6.3. I'm not really sure, but it has increased, but it's less than 7%. So if you're selling a product and you're only paying less than 7% and everything else is your profit, I mean, who doesn't want to do that? And you're making this money whilst you sleep without lifting a finger. It's amazing. And these products, I forgot to mention, once you have it set up, you don't need to email the customer once they buy it. It's downloadable. So once they buy it, they have access to download these files. You know what? It's amazing. And I feel like anyone and everyone should get into digital product selling. Now, the third one on my list is Canva template. Canva is an app that people go on there to create a lot of great things. Now, for a Canva template, the ones that I've seen most people sell, they're for social media templates. So let's say you want a template for Instagram, you can get it on Canva. For myself, I use thumbnails for YouTube. So if someone has a great thumbnail for YouTube, they can actually create that as a template, and people can just go in and edit it and put their own personal touches to it. It's amazing. It's a great way to make money. Like, once I become an expert in creating thumbnails, maybe that's something I can look into as well and start selling. Now, the fourth one on my list is digital planner. Digital planner, I think, is one of the smartest things that has ever been created. Imagine having a calendar or a book planner or a paper planner with you all the time, everywhere you go, to check your scheduling, to check everything, to make sure you're on time, to make sure you're keeping your appointments. It's a lot, you know what I mean? So if you have a digital one on your phone or on your iPad and you're going around and you just open the app and you check and it's there, it's amazing. So if you're able to create something like that and it's helping you, I mean, why not sell it? It's as easy as that. You know what I mean? It's as easy as that. So a digital planner is one great way to make money. So get into it. Get on your phone. Get on Etsy. If you don't know how to create a digital product on Etsy, I can make a video to show you how to create or list a digital product on Etsy. It's very easy. It doesn't even take 10 minutes to list your product on there. I can go through it with you guys. Maybe in one of my videos. So that's number 4 on my list. And the last one, but not the least, is Lightroom presets. Lightroom presets, if you're an Instagrammer or you're trying to be an Instagram model or you're trying to just take great pictures on Instagram, it's a great tool to have or a great app to have. I actually edit my pictures on Lightroom, and I actually got a preset that I used. And so imagine using a preset that a lot of people are always asking you, oh, how do you edit your picture? Or your pictures are great. Oh, wow, look at the quality. I mean, if you're getting that, you need to look into capitalizing on that. These are the 5 digital products that I have for you. I hope you will get on it and start making money from home and just make money while you sleep. I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? I do. So yeah, do it. All right, so that's the end of my video for today. If you like what I shared here today, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, still give me a thumbs up. It's free. Give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll catch you in my next video.